SomnoGuard offers life-changing comfort compared to CPAP machines, eliminating snoring without the need for a bulky machine. Custom-fitted for optimal comfort, for many this device is an ideal alternative to a bulky and loud CPAP machine. The device advances your lower jaw and tongue to stop the soft palate and uvula vibration that causes your snoring sounds. This will provide the amazing rest you deserve. The SomnoGuard oral appliance can also be easily combined with other sleep and snoring solutions offered in-house by Texas Sinus and Snoring. Depending on your needs, the board-certified surgeon can combine the oral appliance with balloon sinuplasty, snoroplasty, and Inspire sleep therapy to resolve complex OSA cases.